So you would want to get a facial because you would want to get basically get your skin clean. Sometimes you experience some breakouts, or you may have some blemishes, some uneven texture, tone, maybe even some dry skin. Everybody has different skin types, so facials really help overall, are like a deep cleansing. They clean out the pores, they hydrate the skin, and they're just a good overall deep cleansing for your face. So I would recommend getting a facial probably once a month if you can. Okay. And I'm just wrapping her hair up here just to make sure it's all the way out of the way, just so nothing gets in the way for when we do the facial. You can actually give yourself a facial. You can do cleansing twice a day. You can use a toner. Toners are great to help get rid of any cleansing residue that's left behind, to keep the pores clean. And you can definitely moisturize. Now, you won't get the full massage probably at home, because usually that's given by the esthetician, or maybe they use some specific products. You might not have everything at home, but you can definitely do cleanse and tone and moisturize at home. And that would be like a little mini facial that you would be giving yourself. You can give yourself a facial probably once a month is great, where you use a mask that will sit on the skin for about 20 minutes. And the same as if you went to an esthetician once a month is great, because you don't want to over exfoliate and do too much exfoliation at home, or go visit a spa, 3 times in 1 month or something. Once a month is perfect timing to do a facial. No, that's fine. In fact, that'd be a really great time to get a facial, because you might need some extractions. You might need to have your pores kind of cleaned out with the specific tools. So when you have blemishes, it's a perfect time to come in and get a facial, help get it cleaned out. This is where you definitely want to use specific skincare products for your skin type. So yes, you want to use maybe a gel cleanser or a really light foaming cleanser if you're experiencing more normal to oily skin. But if you're more normal to dry, you might want to use a cream cleanser. And then the same thing goes along with what kind of moisturizer you want to use. You want to use lightweight moisturizers when you are experiencing breakouts or have acne prone skin, but a little bit maybe creamier moisturizers when you're dehydrated or need that extra moisture. So definitely, just by looking at yourself closely in the mirror, feeling the texture of your skin. Some people have combination. They might be oily in the T-zone around their nose and forehead and cheeks, but then a little drier on the outside. So you just have to be aware and take note and see, kind of analyze your skin. Look at take note of it. How does it change even over the course of 1 month, or even going into different seasons? So if you experience flakiness or patchiness, it might be a little dry in areas. And if you are experiencing acne prone or any kind of acne, then you're definitely more on the oily side. Well, there's a wide variety of things you could do, but definitely want to cleanse your skin morning and night. Definitely before you go to bed, especially if you're wearing makeup. A lot of girls fall asleep in their makeup, and a lot of teenage girls fall asleep in their makeup, and that's not good. You definitely want to clean your skin with a good foaming cleanser or gel cleanser that will help prevent breakouts. Using lightweight moisturizers. Um, those are a couple good starts, and maybe possibly even getting facials once a month would be good for you too. Salicylic acid would be a really good spot treatment for blemishes, and you can just take a dab and put it on like once a day, maybe even twice a day if it's not too drying. But if you do need a spot treatment, salicylic acid or even benzoyl peroxide, and they can be found over the counter, or you can actually purchase those ingredients are found in products sold at spas. So one of those two things would be great for spot treatments, and that should clear it up.